it begin. Chain heavy, heart heavier, dragging my sins. But I cut the cord, now the freedom sets in. Used to count the scars, now I count the stars. From alleyways to highways, escape the bars. City screams echo, but they don't own me. Built my own throne where the streets can't throw me.
With the madness, done with the pain. Finally free, I'm breaking the chain. Living my truth, I'm standing tall. No turning back, I'm done with it all.
Concrete jungles where the lions got teeth. Now I'm a king, I roam above the beef. Got a taste for life, not the crumbs of the feast. Used to ride with the pack, now I'm the unleashed. Nightmares of the cuffs, now I'm cuffing my dreams. Grit in my blood, yeah, it's tougher than it seems. Gave the world my sweat, it gave me no peace. So I made my own world, call it self-relief.
With the madness, done with the pain. Finally free, I'm breaking the chains. Living my truth, I'm standing tall. No turning back, I'm done with it
I think the engine runs good. She is just a little lean down low, I think, because she's bogging out at times. And the clutch is you know, staying engaged until a certain, RPM. So it takes some getting used to. I'm so used to a torque converter. You know what I mean? So I mean, she's real throaty. I mean, it starts out slow, but man, she's got good mid and top. So I'm pretty happy with it. Oh, I lost my 3D printed thing. I'll have to use a better way to put that on there. But we're also trying for the first time the Insta360 little skins or whatever that you put over for the data for speedometer and whatnot. So that was the first time I had her opened up.